So I'm going to jump right in and show you what the starter kit is all about. First, you get your first layer of 10 wonderful oils, and then don't forget to go to the second layer.
Ooh, the second layer.
All this goodies.
Ningxia Red.
So you may ask what an essential oil is. It's actually the most powerful and most potent part of the plant, and it supports our body and all our body systems. And the first oil I'm going to talk about is lemon. Lemon is in a vitality oil, which is in the white label. Lemon is cold pressed from the rind. It's actually safe for tooth enamel, so I enjoy putting it in my water, and it's very refreshing. I enjoy baking cookies with it. It also is kind of like acts like Goo Gone and takes out sticky stuff as well as gum in people's hair. I wanted to quick clarify why we have the Vitality line versus the regular line with the solid labels. This is actually both a lemon essential oil, and they're both actually the same oils. This is a Vitality line, which is ingestible. This is to be used aromatically or topically. Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh is a great oil to keep the stink out. Definitely diffusing this in the sugar glider room.
You mean that guy?
Hi, Annabelle. And yes, it's also great for concentration and some anxious times. Okay, when an oil is given to baby Jesus when he was born, it's obviously very powerful. So frankincense, I'm not a fan of the smell, but the wellness it provides in support, it is amazing. Very great for reducing the appearance of aging and for our skin. Pan away.
Yes, dear. I'll put the pan away too.
Thank you. Yes, Pan Away is an amazing muscle and skeletal support. I use this quite a bit after my shoulder surgery last summer, and I love it after the gym. Peppermint, one of my favorite. It's great for gut health support. I like it for this thing, you know what I mean, for respiratory support. I enjoy it also for the cooling effect it gives, and it's great for staying alert. Gosh, crazy husband. Yes, Copiaba, what amazing support. Great support for natural injuries, great for support for teething babies. It also is a magnifier. Filters are too fun. Sorry, got to incorporate them. Raven is my go-to for respiratory support. As many of you know, I've had a lot of respiratory support issues. I love this. Mix it with coconut oil, rub it on my chest or the bottom of my feet. It's great. Thieves. What an amazing blend. Great immune support. I put it on my feet. Great to keep above the wellness line. Lavender. Lavender is definitely the most used oil at our house. Both my husband and I use it daily, often. I love it for respiratory support. I love it for relaxing and calming my brain. We both use it in our diffuser at night. Digize. Digize is an amazing digestive support. So honey, how do you use Digize?
Well, dear, let my body tell you.
Oh, happy tummy. Yes, it does make our tummies happy because of the support it gives us. Time for the second layer of the box. This is where we find our stress away. This oil is an amazing emotional support blend, which is great for calming ourselves down, as well as our children, as well as our pets. The Thieves Household Cleaner also comes with a premium starter kit. This makes two 16-ounce bottles of toxic-free cleaner that you can clean everything with and kills all the germs. Clean counters, toilets, bathrooms, showers, cars, everything. And then we have our Ningxia Red packs. These 2 packs come in our premium starter kit, and they are super antioxidant drinks. Just check them out at ningxiared.com. And Steve and I love drinking these every day. Cheers.